Hi, I'm Colin.
Pleased to meet you, Colin. My name's Marie.
Nice to meet you too, Marie. What do you do?
I'm a doctor. What about you?
I work for an advertising company.
Oh, that's interesting.
1.2. The alphabet.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
1.3.
Hello, my name's Marie Casson.
Sorry, what's your surname again?
It's Casson.
How do you spell that, please?
It's C-A-S-S-O-N.
Oh, yes. Here's your badge.
Thank you.
Hello, my name's Imran Kanu. Sorry, what's your surname again? It's Kanu. How do you spell that, please? It's K-A-N-U. Oh, yes, thank you. Here's your badge. Thank you.
Hello, my name's Emily Winfield.
Sorry, can you repeat your last name again, please?
It's Winfield.
How do you spell that, please?
It's W-I-N-F-I-E-L-D.
Oh, yes. Thank you. Here's your badge.
Thank you.
1. A door. 2. A board. 3. A desk. 4. A bag. 5. A pen. 6. A book. 7. A pencil. 8. A notebook. 9. A computer.
A book. 2 books. A box. 3 boxes. A badge. 3 badges. A man. 3 men. A woman. 2 women. A person. 2 people. A child. 3 children.
1.
What does French mean?
It means from France.
2.
How do you say benvenido in English?
You say, welcome.
3.
How do you say this word?
It's people. 4.
How do you spell glasses?
It's GLASSES.
0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100
1.
How old are you?
I'm 47. 2. How much is this shirt?
It's £30.
3.
How many students are there in your class?
16.
4.
Good morning. This is City Radio. It's on 99 FM.
5. So here's your key. You're in room 68. 6.
This is our bus. Number 21.
First. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh. Eighth. Ninth. 10th.
1. Excuse me, where's the meeting for new students, please?
It's in room 42.
Room 42? Where's that, please?
It's on the 4th floor.
Thank you. 2.
Excuse me. Where's the yoga class, please?
It's in room 20.
Room 20?
Yes, it's on the 2nd floor.
Thank you.
3.
Excuse me. Where's the English class, please?
English 1 or English 2?
Oh, English 1.
English 1 is in room 59.
Room 59. Where's that, please?
It's on the 5th floor.
Thank you.
13 30 14 40 15 50 16 60 17 70 18 80 19 90
30.
40, 15, 60, 17, 18, 90.
Monday morning.
My name's Ryan Gaskell. I'm from Ireland, but I live in London with my wife Cindy. This is our internet cafe. Good morning, Lucy.
Oh, hi, Ryan. Oh, that's my phone. Hello, Olive? Yes, I'm on my way now.
Her name's Lucy Patterson. She's a secretary. Olive's her boss. His name's Jordan Morris. He's a computer engineer. He's from Australia. He's Lucy's new boyfriend.
Tea, Jordan?
Yes, please, Cindy.
Here you are.
Thanks very much.
Their names are Peter Colombo and Sarah Chen. Peter's from the USA. He works for a magazine company. Sarah's a student. She's from Singapore.
Hello, Peter.
Hi, Sarah. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
Fine.
Okay, see you later.
Yes. Bye.
Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hello. Hi. Goodbye. Bye. See you. See you later. Good night.
Where are you from?
I'm from Italy.
She's Italian. 1.
Argentina. Argentinian.
2.
Australia. Australian.
3.
Brazil. Brazilian.
4.
Britain. British.
5.
China. Chinese.
6.
France. French.
7.
Germany. German.
8.
Hungary. Hungarian.
9.
Japan. Japanese.
10.
Holland. Dutch.
11.
Poland. Polish.
12.
Russia. Russian.
13.
Spain. Spanish.
14.
The USA. American.
1.
Hi, I'm Hiroko. I'm from Japan.
Pleased to meet you, Hiroko. My name's Pedro. I'm from Spain.
Nice to meet you too, Pedro.
2.
Hello. My name's Ivana.
Nice to meet you, Ivana. I'm Jose. Where are you from?
I'm from the USA. And you?
I'm from Brazil.
3.
Hi, My name's Sam. I'm from Britain.
Pleased to meet you, Sam. My name's Olga. I'm from Russia.